Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X7b, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your display. Once that is the case, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Let's try that again. There we go. And it will give you the pop-up with share and scroll options. The second one, the scrollable screenshot, can be only accessed in content that can be scrolled down, like settings as an example. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application. Let's go back to the main one. So under photos, it should show up. As you can see, there it is. And hopefully it's also under albums. Yep, there we go. We have a screenshot album in which obviously you will find strictly screenshots and nothing else, which makes it much easier to find your captured screenshots down the line. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.